good, y'all? C-Time. Here, guys. Here with another one. Alright, yo, listen. I'm just gonna jump right into it, y'all. I'm gonna show you my hair after I wash it. You know what I'm saying? I did 1 week so far with the braids. I just washed them on Friday. And, yeah. So I'm gonna show you how it looks after I wash it. You might see a little new growth, but a lot of it is probably because I washed it and my braids are looking loose. But yeah, man, they've been sitting under a do-rag all night. I leave them out more than I leave them under a do-rag. That's probably why they look a little messy. But yeah, I'm gonna give you a little quick little video of my hair after I wash it. So these are my braids after a week. Last week Friday was week. Don't really see the braid, they just laying there right now. They are loose. So if I pull my hair, you see that it comes up a little bit in the back. You probably can't see it. See it right there, it comes up in the back. I don't know if that's new growth or it's because I washed it. But yeah, man, that's the hair after. Let me see if I can get y'all a view of the back. I haven't seen the back of my hair. I don't know. I haven't really been trying to see the back of the hair. But yeah. That's it right there, man. I washed it. I just shampoo condition it. I threw some moisturizer, or not moisturizer, but some leave-in conditioner and oil in it last night. Oil for the scalp, moisturizer just for the hair. And I usually put a little bit of oil in my scalp every night before I go to bed and before I go to work. And the same with the leave-in conditioner. Well, some before I go to bed, and some right before I go to work. That way my hair stays moisturized, and I moisturize it twice a day. But I mean, the braids are still there a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to keep these in for 3 weeks. I don't want to take them out right now. It's only been a week. I like to keep them in over 2 weeks at least. But you see that it's getting a little new growth on it. It's not a lot, so we still got some growing to do. So we're gonna leave these things in and see if we can get a lot more to back. Like I said, it's like loose. That's where I don't know if it's because I washed it or not, but it's got a whole lot of new growth in it. But that's that. All right. So also I want to show y'all some of the leave-in conditioners that I use when my hair is out of braids and a fro. Like I said in my videos before, I do this once a week. At the end of the week, I'll go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'll deep condition it, and it'll last me a whole week with a deep conditioner. And I don't wash my hair or anything until it's time to deep condition my hair now. Mostly I just rinse my hair all week, put water in it just to keep the buildup at a minimum. And then, you know, time for the deep conditioner. But I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff I use. I get all my deep conditioners from Walmart. It's cheap. They're probably like $2 at the most after taxes. Got the hair and scalp treatment mask. I use that one every time I do my hair. Got a bunch of them in here. Intense protein treatment. I do this twice a month. So this is every other weekend. I'll go ahead and use my protein just to keep this. Will strengthen your hair, y'all. This stuff helps your hair from breaking, so it prevents breakage and stuff. This stuff helps out. So I use this twice a month, and it makes my hair strong. Nourishing deep conditioning. That goes along with the mask and all this stuff I use all at once. You know, you can buy it from Walmart. It's not expensive, no more than $2, like I said. And I'll put all of it in at my hair all at once. I'll put a little from each packet. So all these are getting used all at once, a little from each packet, except the protein, twice a month. There's another one I use. And it brings in moisture. It helps out a whole lot, man. Another deep conditioner. And it's all of them. That's all of them. And like I said, do your hair like once a week with this deep conditioner. It'll help out a whole lot. I've been looking at like some of my old videos and like my real old videos from my second hair journey when my hair was long. I think I kept that one a year and a half. But I started deep conditioning it, and I started deep conditioning that fro probably about a year and 3 months after I had that fro. And with this one, I started deep conditioning way before I even got braids. So it's been growing steadily, and I've been looking at some of my old videos. I think I got a 14-month hair update, and I'm only at a year and some weeks, and my hair is already up to where I was at 14 months in my last video, in that video before. So my hair is growing pretty good, and plus this fro is going to be even better because my sides, I didn't start off with the fade, so now I got even hair mostly all around my hair. So it's gonna be a good journey. And yeah, but the deep conditioning I think has been helping out, because I also been moisturizing my hair that last video, but I didn't deep condition as much. I'm in deep conditioning this one, and my hair, I haven't even trimmed this hair yet. It's been a year. I usually trim it at a year, but I haven't even trimmed it yet. It needs to be a little bit. Let me see. You look at my ends. Well, they're not that bad, but they get used a little trim. They're a little thin. Oh no. We'll see when I pull my hair out, though, because this is a braid too, so you can't really tell. It's just curled up in the back, but they're not like super thin. I used to have them like to where they were like real thin, but these are, they're getting there, yo. They're getting there. You see how my braid's thick and then get super thin? Yeah, it's almost time to, well, it is time to trim it. So I'll be getting a trim soon. Yeah, so that's all I got, y'all. I showed y'all the products I use. I showed y'all my hair after I wash it. My results. It's been what, a year and 2 weeks. That's all. It's only been 12 months, 2 weeks, y'all. And yeah, man. I got hang time back. I'm actually almost as long as my other fro. But I also don't have a big taper like my other fro, so that's another thing. But yeah, I'm gonna get up off here. Excuse me, yo. I'm gonna get up off here, and I'll holler at you on the next video. So keep going, keep throwing. God bless. I'ma holler at y'all. Peace.